In 2020, I would suggest purchasing small strata offices, and I can give you 3 reasons why. First of all, extremely affordable for someone trying to get into the commercial market. Secondly, you have triple net leases where your expenses fall to the tenant and your profits are protected. And people are already beginning to discuss that in 2020 property taxes and building insurance will increase. And last, the vacancy rates in this sector are extremely low. So using the proper marketing material, we're able to find you a tenant that much faster. So a quick summary: affordable, easy to enter, triple net leases so your profits are protected, and low vacancies so we can make sure we find you a quality tenant that much faster.
In 2020, the best asset class that I feel to invest in is going to be industrial real estate. The reason why I feel that industrial real estate will increase not only this year, but as the years come, is the Amazon effect. This is one reason why I feel investing in industrial real estate in 2020 will increase your portfolio in the future.
In 2020, we're very optimistic and looking forward to a great year in commercial real estate in the Fraser Valley. What we see for 2020 is a lot of development in especially industrial and office spaces, and the very pro-business atmosphere allows a lot of businesses that otherwise go to Vancouver to come to the Fraser Valley. So again, we're looking very forward to 2020.
In 2020, I think the best asset classes to invest in would be offices and industrial. Right now, there are many tech companies coming into town. They all need spaces to go, and with the redevelopment and transit lines emerging throughout the Greater Vancouver area, I think the Fraser Valley would be the best area at this time to kind of focus in on.
Well, I think going into 2020, the commercial market in Vancouver is looking very strong. Especially if you look at small bay industrial, office, even retail, they're looking very strong. I think the only sector where it might suffer a little bit is the multifamily sector. The reason being that the NDP has put a rental rate increase of about 2.5%, whereas Vancouver alone, they're looking at 7% property tax increase, which ultimately cuts into the landlord's profits.
Well, we've been doing a lot of research on the island for the past couple of years, and we've been looking into all the asset classes in Victoria and the surrounding areas. And to be honest with you, I would recommend all 3 of them that we've been looking at: retail, office, and industrial. We think in the next 3 to 5 years, where all the rents are right now with those investment properties, those rates are going to go up, which we think is going to increase all the cap rates of where you're buying right now.
Today, I'd like to speak to you about an area which is called Punjabi Market, which is more specifically located in Main and 49th. This area was a very booming part of the cities in the 90s. It had a very large community presence, which could be seen within just a few blocks. But throughout the years, the demographic has slowly changed, and the community has mostly shifted to the Fraser Valley, where these shops and businesses have been seeing an upswing because of the increasing population there. This now leaves Punjabi Market in a very interesting position, where most of the shops and business owners have been sold, and this whole area has been going through a major gentrification process. You see Tim Hortons there, you see a Canada line there, the Langara College is just a few blocks away from there. As this area has been under development, I think it's a very great space to look into if you are looking for an up-and-coming space which is going to be developing in the next few years.